So this is a 2012 Unicorn Cadiz, Bailey Unicorn Cadiz. It's going to take you around the van and show you how to operate. Front of the van, hitch up procedure. We go through in person here on site and explain how the ATC works. No front locker on a Bailey, as you're probably aware. Side locker on the van is your wet storage locker. You've then got your wind down legs on either side at the front. Your water pump connection, your Aldi heating vent for the gas flow. So it's just the gas flow essentially. Side of the van, you've then got your gas locker with your gas regulator built into the van and your 2 bottle tie downs. Fridge vents on the side of the caravan. Motor mover and wheel nuts. The motor mover will demonstrate in person and the wheel nuts will tighten while you're here on site, so you can see they've been done correctly. Side of the van, you've got your grey waste pipes coming out the side, so your fresh water goes in the front and the grey waste comes out the side down here. Back of the caravan, you've got your toilet locker. So the flush tank at the top here takes 3.5 litres of water and a capful of the pink fluid, and your waste cassette at the bottom takes 1 litre of water and a capful of the blue fluid. Back of the van, you've got your wind down legs again, as you can see. We've then got the storage locker for underneath the bed at the rear of the van, or one of the side beds at the rear of the van. Then got your battery locker and your mains power lead coming into the van, so we're connected to power on site to demonstrate for the handover. And down the front of the van, you've just got your 3-pin 230 outlet. On the far front side of the van, you've just got your wet locker, the same as on the other side. Going inside the van, you've got your main control panel by the door. So you've got your master power switch, so you've got master power on and off, as you can see just there. Interior lights, just there. Water pump run, and then your awning light for the outside of the van. You have got some options in the control panel: user settings, internal temperature, battery voltage, and then your time on the control panel. First thing I'm going to demonstrate is how to fill the water system. So what you do is you come underneath the seat on the far front side of the caravan, and below the seat you'll actually see just here there's your yellow drain down valve. To fill the water system, you'll leave the valve in the position it's in now, and to drain the water system, you'll lift that valve upright so the water drains out down underneath the caravan. To fill the water system, you'll connect your aqua roll on the outside of the van with your water pump. Go to each tap on the caravan and open it on the hot side of the tap. You'll do that on the tap in the kitchen, the sink in the bathroom, and the sink on the shower itself. Once you've got all the taps open on the hot side, you can come to the control panel where the water pump is, press the water pump, and then when the water's built up enough pressure, you'll notice water comes out of the taps continuously. Once the water's coming out of the taps continuously, you can shut off each tap, but you do need to make sure that water is coming out continuously. And then below the seat on the far side of the caravan, you'll have to turn on the Aldi water heating system. What that'll do is it'll turn on the pump system for the water system, and then you can come to the control panel here, which is just below the main control panel. Hit the store reset, and you'll be able to go on, off for the heating and hot water system. You'll turn it on to operate the heating or hot water. You'll then use the arrow to come across to the right to select your room temperature. So you've got up or down for your room temperature. For now, we're going to leave that at 5 degrees. Then if you want to turn on your water, hot water, you can go across to the water symbol. So again, you use the arrows to come across these symbols at the top, and you've either got on or off just there. For now, we're going to leave that off also. If you want to run the caravan on gas, you'll come across to the gas symbol, and you've got off or on again on there. For now, again, I'm going to leave that turned off. If it failed to ignite on gas, in this little bit of the screen here, it will actually come up saying gas fail. The next one across is the amount of power you're going to use for your heating and hot water. So a bit like the old Truman systems, you had 500, 1,000, 2,000 watt down the side. On the Aldi heating system, you have to go 1, 2, or 3, depending on the power level setting you want to use. 1 kilowatt, 2 kilowatts, or 3 kilowatt, depending on what site you're on. For now, again, we're going to leave that turned off. You have got some other options along the bottom here, but we do advise that you read the instruction manual for this, because if we did this in the video, it'd take around 3 hours to demonstrate all of this. On the fridge itself, to operate the fridge, you've got mains power just here on the right hand side, and you control the temperature on mains on this dial on the right hand side. If you want to use a 12-volt supply from the vehicle you're towing with, you can put it onto 12 volts. And if you want to operate the fridge on gas, you can put it down to the bottom here and you'll be able to use the gas operation. So to ignite it on gas, you'll press in the temperature dial and hit the igniter just here. And when it does ignite on gas, the little red line that you see in the window just there will go round to the green, and if it stays in the green, that is the pilot light lit for the heater. I'm not sure if there's any gas in the system at the moment, but it may let me do it. No, it's not going to let me do that at the moment because there's no gas on. But like I said, to ignite it, gas valve, temperature valve in, igniter here, and on gas or electric, you just control the temperature on this dial here. The cooker itself works like your household cooker. Igniter on the front, as you can see. 240-volt ring at the back will only work on mains power. The rest of the cooker will work on gas, as you'd expect. Microwave, pretty self-explanatory. There will be some instructions inside the instruction pack, but we do advise that before travelling, as you can see on the sticker just there, that you remove the microwave plate before travelling. Coming to the back of the caravan, you've got your electric flush on the toilet, as you can see, and then you've got your grey waste flap at the bottom to allow the waste into the toilet cassette at the back of the van. The sink and shower, etc., will work the same as your household, no differences at all there. But we do advise that you do be careful of legs or hands or small children near the radiator for the auto heating system. They do get very hot, so just be a little bit wary of that. If you have any further questions on the 2012 Bailey Unicorn Cadiz, please do give us a call here at the Caravan Company and we'll do all we can to assist you. Thank you very much. Bye bye.